Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail today. I ordered this package in 2020 and received it in 2021. Alright, my first delivery of the year. Not my first purchase, but my first delivery. Of course, it came through USPS, so it got here a little bit later than promised. But at least I got it, and that's pretty cool. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this thing open. Probably tear it open if I wanted to, but let's cut it open. And let's see what's inside here. 2019 silver proof set. Let me open this up and look inside. Alright, so I just put it in the wrong box because I was going to say that's not what I ordered. But I did receive what I ordered, which was 2 sets of the 2019 quarters. That's what I wanted. You know, these are the 999 silver bullion quarters. Just look at the back here real quick. Verify that they are both 2019s. Take a quick look. Looks good to me. Alright, so yeah, these are in the lenses. Look at this one, look at this one, yeah. So 999 silver and these beautiful coins. You can see they have the S mint mark on them. See them right there. And what I'm going to do, and I've talked about this in some previous videos, is I'm trying to get a whole roll of 999 silver quarters. And as most of you know, that means that I can only get 2019s or 2020s because in 2018 these are 90%, not 999. So these are 99.9% silver. And so I've been getting some 2019s and some 2020s, but as some of you may know, the US Mint upped the price of the silver proof set for 2020 a few months ago, and well, I think they did it by about $40, so it was, I don't know, $60, $65. Now it's over $100. So as part of that, people on eBay and every place else, even the Mint, has upped the price of the silver quarters as well. Because you don't have to buy these in the proof set. In fact, this is wrong. So if this would have truly been the silver proof set, this would have had a separate lens in it with the $half, dime, nickel, penny. You know, would have had the other 5 coins in there that come with a proof set. And you can see them right here. $half, penny, nickel, dime, and the dollar coin. So he just put it in that box and put the 2 lenses in there that I ordered. Then up here you can see the what each quarter is representing. So nice little box. I don't think I need it. I could probably sell it on eBay for a couple bucks, really. Some people are looking for these things. But what I'm planning to do, let me zoom back out a little bit. What I'm planning to do is take these out of the lenses and put them into a quarter roll. Now, I did a impromptu survey in one of my videos asking people, even if I want to collect a roll of them, should I keep them in the lenses? And I think 95-96% said keep them in the lenses, don't break them out. But I'm going to break them out of here. That's why I ordered them without the certs. I have no C of A's on them. Don't have anything. People are just going to have to know that the quarters from this year are 999. I just thought it'd be really, really cool to have a roll of 999 quarters. And these quarters are sharp, man. These things are very, very cool because they're proof coins. They have that shiny mirror finish. Can you see that mirror finish on them? And these things are just awesome. So I'm not really sure how to crack into one of these lenses. I don't know if you just twist it and break it like that. I've seen Silver Seeker do it. I think he just twisted and broke it. I don't know if they're in there really that well. Probably some of you are yelling at the screen right now. What are you doing, Doc and Bullion? You're crazy, man. Let's move this out of our way. Is this opening up at all? It feels like it's starting to loosen up on the one end here. Let me try to flip it over. Let me zoom back out a little bit more. I keep going the wrong way. There we go. So what can we do here? It doesn't look like it's opening up very well, so I guess I'll just have to take a hammer to it, which is what I did for something else a while back. I just covered it up in a cloth, just hit the edge of the hammer, and it actually popped open pretty easy. And yeah, these don't appear to be cracking open like I thought they might. So I was going to open one up for you. I'm going to break and cut myself, that's for sure. Looks like there's a little tab right there that might be starting to crack. So yeah, it looks like it's not going to be an easy fix to crack that open. So yeah, I guess I'll just wait and take a quick hammer to it, crack it open, pull these things out and put them in a silver roll. Doesn't that sound cool? I think that sounds cool. I will put my gloves on before I handle these, so I'm not going to get my fingerprints all over them, that's for sure. But yeah, it looks like there's just some tabs on each corner that need to be broken. This one looks broken, this one looks broken, but these other two don't look like they've broken yet. Probably just need to be a little harsher on it, but again, I don't want it to crack and cut my fingers. This plastic's pretty hard, so anyway, that's what I picked up. 2 lenses with the 999 fine silver quarters in them, 10 quarters, and I think there is, let me check here for a moment. So each quarter has 6.343 grams of silver in it. 6.343. So if you multiply it by 5 for what's in this lens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it works out to 31.715 grams of silver. And most of you may know that an ounce of silver is 31.1 grams, so it's a little more than an ounce. So these 5 quarters equal a little bit more than an ounce. So that's pretty cool, huh? And then I got these off of eBay. I was able to use some eBay bucks on them. So I got them for a decent price. Now you're definitely paying a premium for these things because they're proof coins, they're from the mint. They're more valuable, of course. I don't know if they're going to be once I put them into a roll, probably not so much. And I ordered another set of them recently too, because on eBay, one thing I wasn't aware of, but if they guarantee a shipment time and you don't receive it, you can, basically file a complaint and they'll give you a little bit of a voucher. So over Christmas time, I was guaranteed something by the middle of December and didn't get it actually until Christmas Eve day. And I wasn't aware. I went on to eBay to kind of say, hey, I'm missing my stuff. And they offered a voucher for it. So I got 2 vouchers and I turned around and used those vouchers towards 2 more sets of these. So I got those for a really good price. But anyway, yeah, I've been on eBay for over 20 years and I wasn't aware that they offered that guarantee. Now, the product's got to be guaranteed. When I ordered the product, it said guaranteed delivery by December 16th or, by a particular date. And I hadn't received it by then. And so I was just going, hey, where's my stuff, man? I need it for Christmas. And they offered me a voucher and for both orders. So, yeah, and the voucher didn't last that long. I had to use the voucher by the end of the year. I didn't realize that until I was cruising around eBay the other day and said, oh, man, I got to use these vouchers by the end of the year. So I did. I bought a couple more packs of these and applied the vouchers to them. And they actually offered a multiple discount for buying more than one of these. So I ended up getting these second sets of these for a really good price, much better than this price. So those 2 lenses, when I get those in, and I ordered them from the same guy, those 2 lenses should be all I need to fill my tube of 999 quarters. And we have the Lowell National Park, the American Memorial Park, the War in the Pacific National Historical Park, San Antonio Missions National Historic Park, and the Frank Church River of No Return. That's what all the quarters are. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, I'm pretty happy I was able to pick up a few more of these. And with the price of these proof sets going up, I'm not really sure for 2021. I probably won't be picking up that proof set. I'll take my chance on the secondary market. I have every silver proof set since 1992, which is when they started them. But I just, over $100 for a silver proof set is crazy. And thinking that the Mint's gonna regret that decision, because I think there's a lot of people I've heard are not gonna pick them up anymore. It's just too much of a premium. Imagine what you can buy with that other $100. That's what you got to consider is what are you not able to get because of what you're spending the premium on this stuff. So take a closer look. Yeah, pretty nice, huh? All the fronts are the same. Let's get a close-up of the backs. There's the Lowell. There's the San Antonio. The middle one is American Memorial Park. Over here is the River of No Return. And the War in the Pacific. So, and it tells the territories that they came from. Or the state. So yeah, I know that the 2020s are probably more desirable because they have the back coin in them. Actually, the back coin has not been that big a deal lately. But still, that's okay. I'm after the 999 silver bullion value. And this meets that requirement for me for sure. See if we can get a better look on these. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy New Year, everybody. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.